Hi, third graders. Miss Starrick here, just hanging out in my bed doing my math work. I'd like to model today's math with you, if that's okay. I'm going to model question number 1 with you, and then you can go ahead and do question number 2 on your own, okay? Remember, boys and girls, for each math problem, we're going to end up reading our word problem. We'll find the question. We'll TTQA, turn that question around and rewrite it as an answer statement with a blank, okay? Then we're going to draw a model and solve with math. Boys and girls, don't forget to fill in your answer statement and check to make sure that your answer makes sense. Let's get started. Joey had 35 recyclable items in his home. He divided them equally into 5 recycling bins. How many items were in each bin? Step 1, boys and girls, is going to be to turn the question around. Okay, finding the question, remember, is important, so important, because we need to know exactly what we are trying to solve, right? What's the question that's being asked? What is the question we need to answer? Remember, good old question mark is going to give it away. Question mark always comes at the end of a question. So I'm just going to follow this back. And our question here is, how many items were in each bin? Right? 2, TTQA, to turn that question around or rewrite the question as an answer statement. I'm going to take those exact words from the question and I'm going to turn them around to a statement. How many items were in each bin? There were blank items in each bin. Remember, boys and girls, when you turn the question around, you take as many words as you can from this question and you just turn it into a statement, right? I'm going to answer this question in a full statement by saying there were blank items in each bin. This also tells me what I need to solve for, okay? I'm going to think about what type of problem this is. We got lucky here because it actually tells us that we're going to divide. But how do I know I'm going to divide? I know I'm going to divide because I know that I have a total amount here. I have a total amount of 35 recyclable items. Okay, I do know that I have 5 recycling bins, right? So it's like I know how many groups there are. But what I don't know is how many items are in each bin. Because I have a total amount and I know that I'm dividing that total amount equally into 5 bins or 5 groups, I know that I'm going to divide. For this problem in particular, what is really jumping out at me for a model myself is actually like drawing this problem out, right? I really like to visualize it. So I'm visualizing this Joey kid, right? Here's Joey. Hey, Joey. Right? And he has 35 recyclable items, okay? I know I'm going to end up dividing this 35 into 5 recycling bins. So you guys can watch me here as I draw my 5 bins, okay? So here's bin number 1, here's bin number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as I'm visualizing this, I'm actually visualizing Joey here with his 35 items, right? And I'm actually picturing him throwing 1 in each at a time. So I'm picturing sharing equally right now for my modeling. Okay, I'm going to take those 35 items and I'm literally going to drop off 1 in each bin until I'm left with none. So here we go. I have 35, right? So 1 for you, 1 for you. That's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. I'm not done sharing all 35, so I'm going to keep going. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Am I done? Has he dropped off all 35? No, he's only dropped off 25, so I'm going to keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Almost done. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now that Joey has shared all 35 recyclable items into the 5 bins equally, let's make sure that each has the same amount. And that's going to actually solve our problem for us, right? We had 35 items. We divided them between 5 green bins, right? And now we're ready to solve. So our answer is going to be, how many items are actually in each bin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you're right. There's 7 in each bin. So that means that 35 total items divided by 5 bins equals 7 recyclable items in each bin. How can we double check our work? Let's double check. Let's count by 7s and see if we get to 35. Ready? If we count by 7s 5 times and we get to 35, guys, we got this right. Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Yeah, that's right. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Nice job, guys. There were 7 items in each bin. Nice job. I want you guys to go on to number 2 here and try this problem on your own.